Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER FX. Now this particular strategy I'm about to review to you guys, I have been using this for many years now. I call this a gift to whosoever that you come across this particular video. You understand? I call it a gift because my intention to release this particular video, because this is a strategy I've been using for many years now, so I decided to share it with you guys. So I call it a gift, do you understand, to whosoever that you come across this particular video, do you understand? So this particular strategy I shared on this particular video will help you to do what? To record massive profit. This is what I've been using for many years now, so I want to share it with you guys. Do you understand? So all right, now this particular strategy only make use of two indicators: Bollinger Band indicator and the CCI indicator. Now these are only the two indicators you need to record massive profit. Like as I said, this particular strategy I'm giving to you guys is a gift. Do you understand? I record it and I call it a gift. Do you understand? Because my intention is to do what? To fatten your bank account. This particular strategy have been generating very well. Have generated a lot of profit for me very well. Do you understand? So I want to share it with you guys. Now what I want you to do is that, what I want for you is that if you know any trader at all that trade with indicators, I want you to do what? To share this particular video. As I'm sharing it with you guys, I believe on this particular strategy because it has been generating a lot of profits. Do you understand? Now this might be the one of the best strategies you might find on this particular channel, OPTIMER FX channel. This is one of the best strategies you might find on it. Do you understand? Because I have been using it. This is a personal strategy. This is what my personal strategy. I have been using it and I keep recording massive profit. So share it with you guys. Today is just a blessing to you guys to do what? To fatten your bank account. So after watching this video, if you want to bless any trader you know, share the video with the person. Do you understand? Let that particular trader start recording massive profit. Do you understand? All right, now let's go straight to how to make use of this particular strategy. How to do what? How to make use of it. Now this particular strategy will show you where to make your entry, where to place your stop loss. Now I will give you a secret that will enable you to do what? Maximize your profit. Do you understand? Now this particular strategy is not a strategy that there are some people that always that is not a strategy that you expect 1:2 risk to reward ratio. No, you might get this particular strategy will give you 1:10 1:10, 1:20. Do you understand? So all you need, I will give you a secret that you do what? To maximize your profits. Now back to the main thing. Now if you watch on my screen now, there are two sections: the CCI section and the indicate and the chart section. Now this is how to make use of this particular strategy. From the side of CCI, look at this point here. You see the red line crossing. You see a red line crossing a blue horizontal line. Do you understand? So when the crossing occur from this CCI, when the crossing occur from this side of CCI indicator, that is where, if the crossing is from down upwards, look at this crossing here. Look at this crossing here. You see this crossing here. The red line crosses the blue line from down upwards. So once such a crossing occur, that is what? A buy signal. Do you understand? All right, this is it. This is the point where the crossing occur. I seen it, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So once the candlestick where the crossing occur closes, you make your what? Entry immediately. Do you understand? All right, so in this particular point here, this is the crossing of the red line, the red line crossing the blue line, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So this points, this candlestick, at the closing of this candlestick, that is where you need to do what? Make a buy entry. So your stop loss should be, pay attention, your stop loss should be at the middle band of the Bollinger Band. The middle band of the what? The Bollinger Band. You know, Bollinger Band, we have upper band, lower band, and the what? The middle band. So the middle band will serve as your stop loss. Like as I said, this particular strategy is not a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. No, this is a strategy that will offer you 1:20 risk to reward ratio, 1:25, 1:30, 1:15. This is a high profitable strategy. Do you understand? Like as I said, I call this a gift. I have been using this for many years now, and it keeps generating a lot of profit. Do you understand? So I am giving it to you guys as a gift. That's what I said. You can freely share it with any trader you know who is struggling to make what? Profit trading. Do you understand? All right. So once you make your buy entry at this point, this is what a huge profit. Do you understand? Who's a huge what? Profit. Do you understand? All right. Now I will take this is no most people will show you screenshot. What I show on this particular channel is not a screenshot. I show you a real movement. As you can see, this is what a real movement. This is the point of entry here, and this is the huge profit. Are you seeing it? This is what. So this particular trade here, already generating 1:20, 1:30. Are you seeing it now? One good thing about this particular strategy is that once you secure your trade, once you move your stop loss to the entry, you don't need to panic. You just do what? Keep trailing your stop loss. You will see the profit. Your profit will keep reading. Do you understand? All right, as you can see, this is what a huge profit. Now, this another good thing about this particular strategy is a strategy that once you execute your trades and do what? And secure your trade, you can watch the trade for a whole day, for 2 days, for 3 days, and you keep on seeing profit. It's keep on seeing your profit increasing. Do you understand? So this particular strategy will give you peace of mind. Do you understand? All right, now look at this point here. Look at this crossing here. This is that's what the first. We have already recorded the first trade. Now this is the second trade. Now this is the crossing here. You see the crossing from up downward. So this is a sell signal. The crossing occur from up downward. As you can see, the red line crossing the blue line from up downward. So this is what a sell signal. So at this point of crossing here, this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So that is the point where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. At this point here, this is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. And this is a huge profit. Now, as I said earlier, your stop loss should be at the middle band of the Bollinger Band. That's where you need to do what? Place your stop loss. Do you understand? And you are sure of 1:10, 1:20, 1:30 risk to reward ratio. Do you understand? So this is a gift from me. This might be the best strategy you might find on OPTIMER Effect channel. Do you understand? So I'm giving this as a gift to all those that will come across this particular video. As you can see, this is our entry here. Are you seeing it? And this is what a huge profit. Huge profit. You have already, this particular strategy have already done 1:30 risk to reward ratio. As easy as that. 1:30 risk to reward ratio. Do you understand? And it keeps reading. Now this is a buy signal here. This is what a confirmed buy signal here. So this is the point of crossing. So at this point you make your buy entry. At this point you make your what? Buy entry. At this point, make a what? Buy entry. So I don't want to rush this particular video because as I said, this is what a gift. I'm giving this as a gift to whosoever that will come across this particular strategy. Your trading history will change with this particular strategy. Now, this is volatility 10 index on 15 minutes time frame. This is what? Volatility 10 index on 15 minutes time frame. All right. So this is the crux in here. This is the point where the correction occur. This is the point where the correction occur. Are you seeing it? This is the point where the correction occur, and this is the candlestick where the correction occur. So that is why you need to do what? Make your buy entry. Now your stop loss should be at the middle band of the Bollinger Band. So make your buy entry, and this is what who's your profits. As you can see, this is what who's your profit. Are you seeing it? Like as I said, already it has already generated 1:20, 1:30, as easy as that. Do you understand? Now this is a sell signal. This is a number 3. This is a trade number 3. Are you seeing it? So this is the correction. This is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Do you understand? This is why you need to do what? Make your sell entry. So I'm taking this gradually so that you will understand everything, because I know that this particular strategy will change, will give you everything you need as a trader. So this is the point where you need to do what? Make your sell entry, and your stop loss should be at the middle band of the Bollinger Band. Do you understand? That's where your stop loss should be. So already you have already generated 1:10, and as you keep on training your stop loss, you are sure of a 1:20. Do you understand? All right, this is a trade number 4. Are you seeing it? This is the crux in here. This is the crux in here. So you make your buy entry at this point. Make a buy entry at this point, and your stop loss should be at the middle band. All right, you record your massive profit. As you can see, look at it. I've seen it. Are you seeing how the, so this is what a huge profit, it is a huge profit. Do you understand? This is what a huge profit. So this is a strategy that once you are trading with it, you have a, you don't need to be anxious of anything. Now this is another, this is the closing of the candle. I'm seeing it. This is the closing of the candle. So you make your entry. Once the candle closes, you make your sell entry. You make your sell entry. This is the crux in here. This is the closing of the candlestick. So make your sell entry at this point. Now your stop loss should be at the middle band, and this is a huge profit. As easy as that. So guys, like as I said, this is a gift from me to you guys. Do you understand? And the best thing you can do to any trader you know is to share this particular video with the person. Do you understand? All right, this is a huge profit. Are you seeing it? This is a huge profit. Now this is another buy entry. This is another buy entry. So we make your buy entry at this point here. Make a buy entry at this point of crossing, and your stop loss. Yes, this is the crossing here. This is candlestick where you need to do what? Make a buy entry. This is where you need to do what? Place your stop loss at the middle band, and this is a huge profit. As easy as that. So guys, this is what I've been using for many years, and today I decided to share it with you guys. Do you understand? So I call this a gift. Like as I said, this might be one of the best strategy you might find on OPTIMER FX. Do you understand? All right. This is a huge profit. This is what? Huge profit. Are you seeing it? This is what huge profit. For 2 days, 3 days, you keep on watching your profit growing. Do you understand? All right. Now let me show you the settings. Go to F. This is only 2 indicators: Bollinger Band and commodity channel index. So this is the Bollinger Band. So here is what settings for Bollinger Band. The period is 20. Deviation 2.000. Shift 0. Apply to close. Style 2 pixel, color green. That is for Bollinger Band. Do you understand? All right. Now the next indicator is commodity channel index indicator. So here what the parameters. The period is 400. Apply to weighted clocks. The style 4 pixel, color red. That is all you need for commodity channel index. So once you are done, you are ready to do what? To record a massive profit. So this is the current chart now. Look at this. Look at the latest trading I executed here. Look at it. Look at it. This is the current. Let me show you something. This is the current where the chart is currently now. So this is the last trade. This is the last trade I recorded so far. As you can see, this is where I make my entry. This is where I made my entry. I made my entry at this point. This is candlestick. So my stop loss was at this middle band, and this is the huge profit, as easy as that. So guys, don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Share the video to other traders. Let them change their trading history. Do you understand? All right. Thank you for watching.